The first thing could be if you're trying to use GPay if you're in a country where it's unavailable. So let's say you're in a country where GPay is not available because GPay is not available in all country. And to check if GPay is available in a country or not, you can just search on your Google writing the country where GPay is available. It's going to give you the list of country where it is available. And if your name is not in that list, then basically your GPay is not available over there. And the only way to fix this problem is to use a VPN and connect your VPN to a country where GPay is available and your GPay should work smoothly. But let's say your connection issue is not a problem, but like your GPay is basically just not working even though you're in a country where it is not banned, alright? The one way to fix it is close your GPay, hold on your GPay, click on app info, and click on storage. Click on clear data, click on OK. So what I just did right now is called offloading app. So if you're an iPhone user, you gotta search on how you guys can offload app on iPhone. They're gonna teach you how you guys can offload app, and you gotta offload Google Pay by watching those videos, alright? Because I don't have an iPhone, alright? So once you do that, basically it's done. And let's say it still doesn't fix your problem after doing that. Hold on GPay, click on app info, go on versus permissions. Make sure to turn all this permission on. And once all of this is turned on, close it. Open your GPay, it should open up. If it still doesn't, just delete your Google Pay and reinstall it again and it should start to work.